Have you ever had the thought to live off the land? To create truly something self-sufficient? That's exactly what I'm chasing, and I'm determined to make it reality. But I'm not doing this alone. I'm doing it with my wife, our 2 kids, and most importantly, with you. Welcome to my channel From Hero to Zero, where me and my family are starting a journey to build a self-sustainable farm from the ground up. Our goal is simple: to create a farm that runs on renewable energy with all of our food supplies coming directly from the land around us. That means no more relying on outside sources, no more wondering where your food is coming from, and no more damaging the environment. We'll be sharing everything with you along the way. You will see us learning as we go, making mistakes and celebrating our successes. It's going to be an adventure unlike any other, and we can't wait to share it with you. So stick around and let's make something amazing together. Our journey began during the pandemic, when we all realized just how fragile supply chain could be. Suddenly, we are faced with the possibility of empty supermarket shelves, fuel shortages, and skyrocketing prices. We didn't want to be at the mercy of an unsustainable system anymore. We want to take control of our own lives and become self-sufficient. At first, it seemed like an impossible dream. But more we thought about it, the more we realized that we are up for the challenge. We began doing the research and learned everything we could about self-sustainability. We soon discovered that it's not just a lifestyle but the way of living in harmony with nature. We want to promote a healthier planet and show others that it's possible to live a self-sufficient life. So we decided to build a farm that will generate our own power using wind turbines and solar panels. We'll create a net zero farm that will run entirely off-grid, relying only on resources we could produce ourselves. Of course, it hasn't been easy. Even at the research stage, there have been challenges and setbacks along the way, but we remain committed to our goal. In fact, we know that we still have a long way to go, so we invite you to subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey. We believe that by working together, we can create a farm that will inspire others to do the same. Let's build a better world one step at a time. Building a self-sustainable farm is a complex process. That's why we want to break it down into 4 stages: planning, building, growing, and living. But once we start planning, we quickly realize that there is no clear stages and everything needs to be done at the same time. So our first step will be finding a good location for our farm. We have a few options, which we'll share with you in our next videos. Once we find the right place, we'll start with a few chickens, planting a couple apple trees and some crops. We'll gradually expand the farm to produce all of our food, including growing our own spices, coffee, veggies, potatoes, fruit, and everything else that we can grow. But what about sugar and salt? We got a plan for sugar. We'll get bees to do the job. However, getting a salt is not as straightforward. We'll have to think creatively about how to source it sustainably. One of our ultimate goals is to eliminate use of fossil fuel on the farm. We plan to generate all the electricity we need through sustainable sources, making it completely self-sufficient and environmentally friendly. As we come to the end, we want to thank you for taking time to learn about our self-sustainable farm project. We hope that you will join us on this journey and follow our progress. Also, we want to encourage you to share your ideas and suggestions. We believe that building a self-sustainable farm is a collaborative effort, and we value your input and feedback. We welcome you to subscribe to our channel, follow our journey, and become part of our community. Thanks again for watching, and we're looking forward to share our progress in upcoming videos. Together, we can create a brighter and more sustainable future for ourselves and our planet.